Hey everybody, it's Tiffany here, and Thanksgiving is just around the corner. I can't believe it. Where has the year gone? Well, today we're going to be going through Costco. I'm going to give you a quick little guide for Thanksgiving, all the preparations. If you're hosting this year, let's make your life a little bit easier and let Costco help us out for Thanksgiving. So one thing that I love doing when I'm hosting Thanksgiving is having things in crock pots. This helps keep all of your sides warm. You can put mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese in these, and even stuffing. If you are having family stay at your house over the holidays, go ahead and get yourself a nice coffee maker. This will do not only like a pot of coffee, it will also do these nice pods for you. I think this is a great combination. Now, this one was $30 off and it was on sale for $100. Clorox wipes are definitely a must. It just really helps with cleaning up messes, and this is really simple for kids to help you out and wipe things down. I saw a lot of people loading up on these cart tables, and no wonder. These are really nice. They fold. If you need some extra table sittings at your Thanksgiving dinner, these are perfect. This was $47. I think that was a great deal. They're going to be easy to store as well, and you can use them over and over. And again, that really just helps out with the seating at Thanksgiving. You know, whether you need to set up more tables for the kids. They even had the matching chairs that were foldable. These are really nice because both of these pieces are going to be super easy to clean, especially if you have those Clorox wipes, and they also have like a lifetime guarantee. So you buy them once and you don't have to purchase them again. Those chairs were $19.79. Now, if you just needed some extra chairs, they have this high back folding chairs, and I think these would be really great for maybe someone that's a little bit older and needs a little bit more comfortable chair. These were $21.99. Don't worry, guys, we're going to be getting into the food here shortly, but first I want to show you this griddle. This is going to be great for those mornings that you've got to cook breakfast for everybody. You can do everything right on here, and not only that, it has a warming tray. You can make pancakes on this, eggs and bacon all at once. And because of the non-stick coating, everything is going to clean up super easy. And speaking of warming trays, they had this family size glass top warming tray. Now, this is something that you could also use during Thanksgiving. If you have those side dishes, it looks like you could put about 3 different good size side dishes on there. This is going to help keep all of your sides warm during serving. Now, Dutch ovens are really nice to have. They are super heavy. They had these in white and in the green. They were not on any kind of instant savings, but the great thing about a Dutch oven is that you can cook inside of here. You can also put it into the oven, and they do tend to stay pretty warm. So if you didn't want to buy a warming tray, this is another option that you could do. They came in a 4-quart and a 6-quart. Oh, these glasses were so pretty. If you need an excuse to get a new set of glasses for Thanksgiving, here you go, guys. The Anchor Hogling drinkware. They were $4 off, $16, and you get 16 pieces. Let's talk command hooks because they are so versatile. These are so great to have on hand during the holidays to hang up any kind of decorations that you have, whether that be wreaths that you might have or just around the house. These were $3 off. Now, each of these are $11.99. They actually had 3 different sizes. They had a medium design, a large design, and a small design. Now, each of these will hold a different pound weight, but I love these because they don't ruin any of your surfaces. They're really nice to have on hand. All right, guys, it's time to get our snacks on. These red and green M&Ms are so good, okay? I just think they taste better, the red ones and the green ones during the holidays. I don't know why. These were on instant savings. Now, you get this whole thing for $12, plus you get that reusable container. If you don't know about the viral Touchland hand sanitizers, well, let me tell you about them. They are everywhere. Everybody loves them. Everybody needs them. They are normally about $10 a piece, but here at Costco, you can get 4 of them for $27.99. It's pretty exciting. Costco is now carrying these. All right, I got caught. I had to purchase these. These are my favorite. These pretzels crisp, the white cream and peppermint. These are not made with your normal pretzels. They're made with those flat pretzels, and I can't believe that they already have them for $6.50, $3 off. Another thing that you may not be thinking about is having extra towels and bath towels in your house, especially if you're having family come in for the holidays. Now, Costco has these hotel quality bath items. I have to say, they were so soft, and I love how they already come in a pack. They have the hand towels and they have the bath towels. They were $24 for the bath towels and $18.99 for those hand towels. During the holidays is the time that I replenish my dishcloths, and these are some of my favorite. The Swedish dishcloths are so amazing. They really pick up the dirt on the counters and on the floor. They are great, and Costco actually has these right here, and they come in a smaller size dishcloth with a larger size dishcloth, which I love, and these were being clearanced out at $9.97. Now, they also had this not a paper towel 12 pack. Now, these are supposed to be like reusable paper towels. These are much thinner, but they were clearancing these out at $5. I did grab a pack, and they're unique. I think I need to just put them through the washer, see how they do, but they weren't as absorbent as I was hoping. Yay, my favorite part of the video where we get to talk about food, and oh my goodness, y'all, these muffins. $7.99. They looked so good. I really wanted to pick them up, but I decided not to pick them up yet. I'm going to wait till next week when I need to get them for Thanksgiving. But these are going to be great to put out in the mornings for everyone. In case you don't want to do all that cooking, these are some grab and go options. These variety dessert bars looked really nice, and again, this is a variety. All you have to do is put these out on a nice platter and you're done with the dessert. Now, we're going to be going through some more food here, and I'm just letting you know, these are going to be easy options. You're not going to be doing much cooking. It is more or less prepping, heating up, and serving it in a pretty dish. All right, let's make life a little easier for people coming in that might need lunch. First, you're going to grab these croissants. I'm going to show you later what we're going to do with them. Now, they had this peppermint bark. These are going to be great just to put out for snacks and desserts. This is Costco's brand, so they do make this, and it looks so good. These were $16.99 for that pack. Here are a few desserts that you can buy at Costco. They have this pumpkin cheesecake, but look at the layers on that. It looks amazing. These were going to be $21.99. They also had the regular cheesecake, so if you don't like that pumpkin flavor, you can just go ahead and get a regular cheesecake. Now, this one's a little bit cheaper at $19.99. If you don't want to cook a whole turkey for Thanksgiving, you can always pick up these turkey breasts. These are really easy. They're about $4.79 a pound. You can throw this in the crock pot, put some seasonings in it. You can also cut this up and make sandwiches with it because it is already pre-cooked. Now, if you want to go ahead and have that full turkey feeling, you can pick up a smoked turkey at Costco. Now, this one is fully cooked. It's been smoked. It's $4.29 per pound. They were running around $50 to $52 per turkey. Another quick meal that you could do the night before Thanksgiving, especially if you have family in or just want to make your life a little bit easier, is picking up this salmon. These are pretty much ready to go. You throw them in the oven and cook them, and you can also pick up some sides here at Costco. I just love how they just make dinners so easy for us now. You can never go wrong with Costco's pizza because you just buy them and stick them in the oven. They have the cheese and the pepperoni. You can also put them in the freezer and pull them out when you're ready. Let's talk about some easy snack ideas. Let's go ahead and get some hummus. You can put this out, put it on a nice little serving dish. These are going to be $6.99, and you can serve this up with some crackers. You can also pick up this creamy cranberry jalapeno dip, which I haven't tried, but it looks really good. I think that would be good on some pita breads as well. There's no need to make some homemade macaroni and cheese because you can pick some up at Costco for only $18, and you're not buying all of the separate ingredients. I think that's a pretty decent price. Depending on how many people you're serving, it's going to be how many you are probably going to want to pick up. Now, this is about a little over 4 pounds. Now, if you're not making a homemade turkey, you are definitely going to want to get some turkey gravy. This is Kevin's turkey gravy. All you have to do is put this either in the microwave or on the stove top. All you're doing is basically warming it back up. So that's really going to be nice and convenient. This is $9.59. They had this cornbread cranberry stuffing with turkey and Italian sausage. This looked really good. Again, all you're going to be doing is heating this up. I think the biggest decision that you're going to have to make is how many you need to pick up for your Thanksgiving dinner. These are going to be $14.99. Costco normally sells their mashed potatoes, but I did not have them at my Costco, but I did find these scalloped potatoes. Now, they were made with cheddar, Parmesan cheese, and Romano cheese. They looked pretty good. I'm more of a mashed potato type of girl, and let me know if you're more mashed or scalloped. Now, these were $7.89 for 40 ounces. I think these are the best rolls. I have to say either that or biscuits, in my opinion. You're going to get a 2-pack of these King Hawaiian rolls. Yum, yum, yum. Guys, these are so good. They're ready to go. You're going to get 32 rolls in this total package. These were $6.69. I know we couldn't find the pre-made mashed potatoes, but you can get these mashed potatoes. You're going to get 12 pouches in this particular box. These mashed potatoes are pretty good. You can just maybe doctor them up a little bit. I would actually add some garlic, butter, and some heavy whipping cream. These were $12.59. Now, if you wanted to go a little bit more homemade, but not a lot of work, pick up the sourdough stuffing. All you do is add a little bit of chicken broth and some seasoning, and you warm it up in the oven, and it's super easy. I've personally bought this before, and the sourdough stuffing is amazing. For morning guests, pick up these Annie's cinnamon rolls. All you're going to have to do is put them in the oven, and breakfast is done. They're actually on instant savings for $10.99. You can also pick up some nice fancy napkins. Costco had these everyday napkins from Vanity Fair. These were $11.79. You're going to get 660 count. Don't forget to pick up some plastic forks, and don't let these fool you. They're plastic, but I know you're thinking, those look really real. Yeah, they do. So I like these. These are going to be $7.39 on instant savings, 160 pieces. And yes, it does get better. You have elegant plastic plates as well, and they're heavy duty. And so your food is not going to like soak through and make a mess. You're going to get 25 pieces of each, and you get this whole set for under $10. Make it clean up a breeze. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.